don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hello, my name's Jeremiah. I'm with RVFix. I got Jason here, and we're gonna help him out with his E3 code on his Furion app-controlled thermostat. So one of the things we'll get here is that you can't go from mode and select different modes. You'll either get it to where it'll be stuck like this, or it'll actually have the E3 code itself. And what that is it's a communication error between the thermostat and the actual air conditioner itself. So to clear that, you can turn the power off. So just by pressing the button here, you can see that it changes at the bottom here. And that'll turn the power off, and then you can turn it back on. That'll clear it for that 6 to 36 hour period. So it's kind of a temporary fix instead of a long-lasting fix. As you can tell, it kicked back on, so it might have had it and we didn't even know it until just now. The other thing is you see QR code here, so if you were to take your phone out and use the camera and scan that, it actually will take you right to the Furion app in the App Store. And that's really what it's looking for. Is so once you get that app, we can actually add it to the app, and it'll actually start to communicate a whole lot better and not get that E3 code.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.